Good afternoon, teacher. We're group number 4 from 7th grade A, and we're going to be talking about Morazán. Morazán is a department of El Salvador located in the eastern part of the country. It limits the north with the Republic of Honduras, to the south and west with the department of San Miguel, and to the south and east with the department of La Unión. Its departmental head is San Francisco Gotera, and it has a population of 252,000 people. Geographic location. The department is located in the northeastern part of El Salvador. Its territory is at an altitude of between 500 and 1,000 meters above sea level and has a relatively rough topography. And the most important elevations are Cerro El Pericón, near the border with Honduras, and Cerro Cacahuatique, being the highest point in the entire territory, located at 1,663 meters above sea level.
Average annual rainfall in Morazán range from 2,300 to 2,600 millimeters. Some rivers of the department are the Torola, Tamarindo, Cañas, Yamabal, and San Francisco. Almost all of them belong to the hydrographic basin of the Rio Grande of San Miguel.
Some examples of the cultural heritage are the Calvary of the Holy Spirit is located in Tertau of the Corinto, department of Morazán. Is a rocky stalactites covered pines. Never the encounters are summer blocks of rock. Winter weather possible part of the Cali. Other cavern which a world like was larger is the ancient processing of their early sepulture is the most important from the cultural aspect. One this day people usage make sandals carpet in their stirrups, whereas the conflict with terrains means of the crucifix with the bread work. On some occasions, the carpets are also made with salt.
Cross of mine. This consists of the fact that on my tree a cross is placed in the garden of the house, which is decorated with paper flowers of many colors and fruits. This question is mainly celebrated by the Catholics. A large part of the population does so with being Catholic.
Gastronomy. The purpose is mandatory to talk about the gastronomy of the region, which is basically very similar to the Salvadoran territory. The quintessential dish are the famous pupusas. These are kind of corn tortillas. The preparation is somewhat complex, since the dough is accompanied with pure made for grains and mixed with cheese. But the combination of flours and endless seeds can be made even with say fruit and fruits. It all depends the taste of the dinner.
Other typical dishes, atoles and torrejas, are other dishes that accompany the typical gastronomy of the area. It is also customary to add fried yuca, accompanied by pork rinds and some invigorating of spirits drink if the person wishes. The leader fish are river fish, which can be eaten fried or buttered.
The economic aspect, Morazán, unfortunately, is one of the poorest departments of the Republic. This is the result of the aftermath left by the war conflict in the 80s, where other departments of El Salvador were also terribly affected, such as Cabañas and Chalatenango. Morazán is a department that relies exclusively on its agricultural production. Their crops are henequen for the distillation of some liquors, coffee, pineapple, avocado, and sugarcane. Also, among other sources of income, the raising of cattle can be mentioned.
On the other hand, we cannot fail to mention his craftsmanship in the manufacture of palm hats, the manufacture of road rockets and other fireworks. They also go a long way toward strengthening the region's economy, as well as the manufacture of clay and clay utensils such as pots, pimpins, flower pots, and others of an ornamental nature, such as animal figures or vases from this region and its famous black clay dishes. Thanks for your attention.